Greetings from Green Valley School. Today is celebrated as World Heart Day, the 29th of September. This day, the World Heart Federation, in conjunction with World Health Organization, creates an awareness among the public about the risks of the cardiovascular diseases, heart diseases and stroke. We have only one heart and we have to keep it healthy. You have to be very strict in taking the diet, quit from smoking, be active and allot some time for physical activities. Kindly take care of your heart. Keep smiling always, which reduces the stress level and increases your heartbeat. Thank you.
A very good morning to all the parents, students, teachers and well-wishers of Green Valley Educational Institution, Metric and CBSE. Today, the importance of the day is World Heart Day. Actually, how World Heart Day has come up to us is annual observation and celebration holds on every September 29th is intended to increase the public awareness of cardiovascular diseases, including the prevention of and their global impact. Actually, in 1999, the World Heart Federation, WHF, in conjunction with the World Health Organization, WHO, announced the establishment of World Heart Day. The idea for this annual event was conceived by Anthony Bias Luna, President of WHF, World Heart Federation, from 97 to 99, who has taken a pleasure to introduce the World Heart Day. Now, let me give you some glance over the heart. Your heart beats about 1.15 lakhs times an average per day, and your heart pumps about 7,570 liters of blood every day. It is very important for us to keep safe of our heart and ourselves. Thank you.
I find it my pleasure to address the young minds of today and the responsible citizens of tomorrow. Students of Green Valley Group of Schools, Penambet. I appreciate the efforts of the dedicated teachers team, and I feel privileged to extend my best wishes to all the dearest parents who have constantly extended support for the all-round development of their children. Friends, according to World Health Organization, cardiovascular diseases take responsible for the 31% of the global deaths. Hence, we need to understand the various risk factors that could lead to a heart-related disease. Doctors believe that death from heart-related diseases can be avoided if certain things such as doing the right thing, following simple lifestyle and healthy diet steps are under our control. Some of these modifiable risk factors include the usage of tobacco, unhealthy diet, physical inactivity, and unhealthy consumption of excess alcohol. If the mentioned things are not kept under control by us, it could result to high blood pressure, elevated blood sugar, obesity, all of which will affect the heart's health. Also, there is a need on why it becomes important to make people aware of cardiovascular disease. Start caring about your health of the heart. Put a stop to all the problems related to your heart before it stops you. Have a healthy heart.
I am Mrs. Nikita Budhari, Principal of Arunodaya Public School. On behalf of all the principals, I would like to wish you all a very happy Heart Day. What do you mean by heart? Heart is Hriday. Hriday, which is always beating and pumping. You need to keep your heart happy and healthy. That means you need to take care of your heart. Your heart works on your breathing. You inhale and you exhale, isn't it? When you inhale, oxygen goes inside, and when you exhale, carbon dioxide comes outside. But your oxygen, whatever you are inhaling, is very, very important for your body. So to keep your heart healthy, what are you going to do, my dear friends? You should quit smoking. You should look at your blood pressure, which should not be high or low. All cardiovascular diseases, you need to take care of it. And how are you going to take care of it? You can take care of it by doing proper exercises, maintaining healthy nutrition, and doing yoga and meditation. So, my dear friends, wishing you all once again a very happy heart day, and stay healthy, stay safe even in this pandemic. You can beat it by maintaining your health and having good nutrition. Thank you and namaskaram.
Namaste, Vanakkam. World Heart Day. World Heart Day is celebrated on 29th September every year all over the world. It is initiated by World Heart Federation to give awareness to the every individual about the importance of the heart health. And we know close to 18 million people die every year due to the heart disease. 1 in every 3 deaths. It is big alarming. And especially India has become the capital for the heart disease. Basically, heart disease is due to the negligence in one's own lifestyle. It is more of the individuals. Hence, it is very important today that we sit as a family or as a community and discuss about the preventary methods and take care of the heart health. There are 4 aspects which I would like to share here. The physical aspect, mental aspect, intellectual aspect, and the emotional aspect. Everything we need to address. It starts with the physical. We have to take care of, we have to watch what we eat. And also we have to see how our physical activities. We have to do regular exercise, especially in the contemporary 21st century, or especially in this unprecedented pandemic situation. We need to be very cautious about our physical activity. Do regular exercise, yoga, meditation, whatever it is. And then a sound sleep, good rest. Then it is very important that we have to have a very cordial talks with our friends and family. And more important, we need to be laughing, because it is said that smile and the laugh is the signature of the healthy heart. So, to deal with these 4 aspects, the major aspect starts with the physical, but the majority today we are going through the emotional. We have to get balance of it. As a students, as the parents and everybody, I would encourage today to sit and discuss and imbibe the very, very healthy habits to take care of our heart health. It is said that head is the office of the mind and heart is the bedroom. So we work, so our mind has to be very alert when we are working, but when we are restful, the mind is restful only when you are in the heart. So to take care of the heart, we have to be full. It is also said your heart has to be full of positivity and love, and hands have to be busy. Means when you are doing so much activity, a reasonable activity at your physical, you are no issues, and your mind should not be too much with the thoughts. To balance this, you need to take care of all the aspects. The very simple thing is, I encourage all the students, especially Green Valley group of education institutions, the parents and the children and the teachers and the management. So today let us discuss, let us take the important aspects of the preventary measures and imbibe them in our life. That is the main purpose of this World Heart Day. So I wish you all a happy and loving heart.
Namaskar. Today, September 29, we are all celebrating World Heart Day. Happy World Heart Day to you all. World Health Organization says about 18 million people across India are dying due to heart diseases. The causes are very much obvious: smoking, alcohol, drugs, stress, and genetic disorders. Even COVID-19 deaths of 30% attributed to cardiovascular diseases. And heart diseases are more prevalent among men. About 60% are falling prey to this disease. Under the age of 40 years, about 20% are falling prey to these particular diseases. Let us take care of our heart's health by adopting certain good habits. For instance, stop smoking, alcohol, taking drugs. Adopt nutritious and balanced food. Our heart demands vegetables, especially green leaves and other important vegetables. To keep your heart young, you need to reduce intake of red meat, which is highly proteinous. And it is very important to keep your heart healthy and young, to keep walking for at least 15 minutes regularly, and doing exercise for about 15 to 20 minutes, or going for games and sports for about 60 minutes, and sleeping for 6 to 8 hours regularly. It is important we need to practice yoga and meditation, which will relax your mind and rejuvenate your body. So keep smiling, be cheerful. You are the child of your own heart. Keep your heart young and keep yourself young and happy. Happy World Heart Day.
Assalamu alaikum and a very happy afternoon to all the parents, students and well-wishers of Green Valley Educational Institutions Metric and CBSE. Today the world is celebrating World Hearts Day, that is September 29th, Tuesday. On this occasion, I want to share few things with all of you. The first and foremost is, during this pandemic, the world has changed. Everything has changed entirely. But definitely we are living. So please take care of your heart. The main reason, what I believe is, I request all of you, please avoid stress, whether it is children or parents. Stress is the main reason, which is the major cause for heart diseases or cardiovascular diseases. If there is more stress, the immune system will weak. If there is stress, the immune system becomes more weak, hence there are chances for BP, sugar, and finally cardiovascular diseases. Parents, children and well-wishers, please try to be happy. If we are happy, our heart is happy. If we are in tension, nothing will happen. Each and every human being have their own problems with them. All of us are fighting the battles which we don't know, either of us. Hence, please be happy, please be healthy. If you are happy, your heart is healthy, your immune system is healthy. And coming to students, you have lack of concentration during this pandemic because majority of students have been addicted to mobile games. These mobile games, if you are continuously addicted, keeping your mobile in front of you for more than 20 minutes, definitely your immune system will start becoming weak. You will keep on, more weight will increase, that is obesity. Concentration will become less. The nervous system, where the nerves from spinal cord, which is going to be connected to the brain and to the heart, will become weak. Many cases are there where children also get cardiovascular diseases. So I request our students, please avoid mobile games. Instead of that, go and do physical activities like play the games outdoor. It will definitely help to increase the health of your heart. Your concentration will increase. Please avoid moreover sitting in front of televisions and mobiles. Students, I request all of you, stay healthy, keep your heart healthy. And the last words I want to discuss with all of you is, Avoid stress. Be happy. Whatever comes will come to us. Let us face together. Be happy and make your heart happy. Thank you. Take care. Khuda Hafiz.